We check in now on the latest cattle market news with our market update, brought to you by CattleFax.
Hello, I'm Ethan Oberst of the CattleFax Update. We have experienced large placements over the last several months, pushing the number of cattle on feed to just under 11 million, a number that hasn't been seen since early 2013. Combine the larger numbers on feed with a live cattle market that experienced an impulsive rally through the spring and that has remained stronger for a longer period of time than most predicted, and more cattle are being hedged to protect profitability. With nearly the largest number of cattle on feed that we have seen in the last 3 to 4 years, and in combination with the third largest number of cattle hedged, suggests that the cattle feeders are taking advantage of the opportunity. Cattle feeders have maintained a sharply positive swap recently. A positive swap means that the projected break-even that they are buying on feeder cattle is lower than the finished cattle that they are currently selling. This encourages the cattle feeder to place more cattle and protect potential profitability in those recently placed cattle, given the opportunity to do so by the deferred live cattle contracts. This is reflected in the percentage of cattle on feed that are hedged. By comparing the commercial live cattle short position to the current cattle on feed estimates, CattleFax can estimate the number or percentage of cattle that are hedged. The estimate comes in at 67.3%, the largest number since the summer of 2014, and up 31% since the fall of 2016. This number only accounts for total commercial shorts in the marketplace, which are not discernible between a producer and a consumer of fed cattle. However, this number does seem like a fair representation of what is happening in the marketplace. With the cattle feeder able to protect profits on cattle that will be marketed into the third and fourth quarters of 2017, expect the cattle feeder to maintain adequate profitability in the face of a potentially declining cattle market. For the Angus Report and CattleFax, I'm Ethan Oberst.
To learn more about CattleFax, your leading source for beef industry market information, visit CattleFax.com.